All right. You may have remembered how to do this, but if not, here we go. We're supposed to simplify this radical, and let's see what we have to do. The square roots, remember, they mean what times itself gives you like 108 x cubed. So here we're going to be looking at breaking down the numbers. So the first thing I'll do is I'll write 108. I don't know why I wrote it backwards. And I'm thinking, what times what gives me 108? Well, the first thing that I think of is 9 times 12. I think that's 108. And I'm just going to keep breaking things down until I figure out, or until I can't do it anymore. 9 is 3 times 3. 12 is 6 times 2. And 6 is 3 times 2. Now remember, anytime that, oh wait a minute, there was a different way to do this. No, we'll keep it like this. So anytime we have pairs, then, oh actually, let's acknowledge this. Anytime we broke something down, like 3 times 2, that's the same thing as 6. So I don't have to pay attention to the 6 anymore because it's right here. It's 3 times 2. Same with this 12 because that was 6 times 2. And that means 3 times 2 times 2. That's 12. So I don't pay attention to anything that already has been broken down. So that's important to know. And then I'm trying to pair up everything. So I have a pair of 3s and a pair of 2s and a single 3 all by itself. So I think I should write an outside column and an inside column, meaning outside of the radical and inside the radical. So the ones that get paired up, this 3 goes outside of the radical because the square root of 3 times 3 is just 3. That's what's happening. So there is no more square root. And then inside, well actually, there's another one. This is 2 times 2, that's 2 squared. The square root of 2 squared is just 2. And then on the inside, we have a single 3. Now we need to take care of the variable. The way we can do that is just write out x cubed, that's what this is, and look for pairs. And again, here we go. I take a single pair, that's on the outside, and then this one goes on the inside. So what's my answer? Let's see. I would say 3 times 2 times x, that's on the outside. On the inside, I have 3 times x. You don't have to write that down. You could just do this multiplication, 6x square root of 3x. And there you have it. That's your answer. That's how you do these problems. It's pretty simple. I'll do another one. Again, we're supposed to simplify. 54. And I'll do this one a lot quicker. I'll do it in red. That breaks down into 9 times 6. That's 3 and 3. 3 and 2. Don't have to pay attention, don't have to pay attention, don't have to pay attention. And then I'll write my outside and inside columns. There's a pair, and those are both inside. So a single 3 on the outside. Remember, you only take one of them because the square root of 3 times 3 is just a single 3. So you only take one of them. And then 3 and 2 on the inside. Okay, then v squared. V times v. That's v squared. Well, there's a pair. So that goes on the outside. So I have 3v square root of 3 times 2. I'm multiplying. That's 6. And that's all there is. I'll do another real quick. 196. 196. It's even, so I can definitely just divide it by 2. That's the first thing that I think of. And 196 divided by 2 is 98. Whoops. And you can't break the 2 down anymore. That I can also divide by 2. That's going to be 49. Oh, look at that. And I have what, 7 and 7. Okay, outside. Afuera. Remember, I don't have to pay attention to anything that already got broken down. So 2 and 7. 2 and 7. Inside, nothing yet. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4. And I pick out pairs. Oh, look at that. Square root of r squared is, well, that's outside as well. R and R, right? Because I have one from there and the other from there. Okay, so nothing on the inside. There's absolutely nothing on the inside. So 2 times 7 is 14. R times R is R squared. There's nothing on the inside. That's it.